Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the world's first social infused exchange with the best selection of crypto projects. So apart from talking about the features which that exchange has to offer, I will be also talking about way on how you can earn up to $40 totally for free. So without any further ado, let us get started to the video. The exchange about which I would be talking in this video is the XT exchange. XT is the world's first social infused exchange with the best selection of cryptocurrencies. Here is the list of all the hand-picked cryptos which are listed on the XT exchange. With XT, you can trade anywhere. Yes friends, literally anywhere. They have a fully developed Android application which you can download either from Play Store or directly from their website. For iPhone users, XT is available on the App Store as well, and for Windows users, they can download the setup file directly from this particular option, or you can simply make use of their amazing website as I am doing right now. Let me now talk about the various tabs which are available on the XT exchange. First among which is the market tab, wherein you can find a list of all the cryptocurrencies which are listed on this exchange. Second on the list is the trading tab, wherein you can find different type of spot trading as well as the margin trading. Third on the list is the derivatives, wherein you will find multiple options to trade in futures. Next on the list is the buy crypto, wherein you can buy crypto on XT exchange using two different methods. First is by third party payment, wherein you can buy cryptos with the help of credit or debit card that you use, or you can simply make use of the secured P2P trading by the XT exchange. Now let me proceed to my favorite tab, which is the finance tab, wherein you can create fixed deposit for your cryptos, you can perform staking, as well as friends, you can even stake Ethereum for ETH 2.0, which is indeed a great feature. Last but not the least is the NFT tab, which will redirect you to the NFT marketplace, wherein you can trade NFT of your choice and make insane amount of profits. Let me now talk about what the super partner event is and on how you can earn up to $45 totally for free in 3 easy steps. So in the very first step, all you need to do is register to XT exchange as well as complete your KYC. And in order to do that, all you need to do is just go to the sign up link of the XT exchange which I have provided in my video description. Once you're on this page, you will find two different sign up options. You can either sign up using your email address or using your phone number. The very first detail that you need to insert over here is either your email address or your phone number. Then you need to set up a new password. Make sure that the password is secured enough. Then click on the option which is get code, and you will be receiving a code either on your email or your phone number. Make sure that the referral code is inserted properly. Once you have inserted all of the details, click on I agree and then choose the option which is sign up. That's it. This is how easily you can get registered to the XT exchange. In order to perform KYC, all you need to do is click on the profile option and then choose identity verification. Here you will find two different levels of verification that you need to complete. First level is the basic verification, wherein users have to perform photo verification. In the second level, you need to perform a video verification, and that's it. This is how easily you can perform the step number 1. In the step number 2, all you need to do is complete a deposit as well as at least one transaction. In order to deposit a crypto, you need to click on the asset and then click on the option which is wallet. And then search for the crypto which you want to deposit. In this example, I'll be showing how you can deposit USDT. For that, I'll be click on the deposit option. Then you need to select the network. In this example, I have chosen the USDT BSC chain. You can perform the deposit task by depositing funds either from other exchange or from the MetaMask or Trust Wallet funds that you own. In this example, I'll be taking you to my MetaMask. click on the USDT option. I would be now pasting my USDT address and then insert the amount and then simply click on this send.
Eventually.
And as you can see over here, my deposit of the funds is successfully completed. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to trade this token. In order to trade, first go to the wallet, search for the crypto and then click on the option which is transfer. And you need to transfer your funds from the wallet to the spot account. I would be now inserting the amount and then click on the submit. You can see my transfer is successful. Next, what you need to do is click on the trading option and then choose the type of trading you want to perform. In this tutorial, I'll be doing the standard spot trading. The token which I would be buying in this tutorial is the USDC token. And I would be first inserting the amount at which I want to buy USDC and then insert the amount of how many USDC I want to purchase. Then click on the option which is buy USDC. And guys, as you can see over here, my order has been successfully executed. So friends, this is how easily you can perform the second step, which includes deposit as well as complete of one transaction. Let us now talk about the step 3, wherein all we need to do is log into XT Exchange for 7 consecutive days. So once after you have performed the step 1 as well as the step 2, all you need to do is log into the XT Exchange daily for 7 continuous days, and that's it. You would be eligible for a reward coupon worth 15 XT tokens. XT, if you do not know, is the own native token of XT Exchange, and as per today's rate, 15 XT is worth $36.5, which is a huge amount for performing such simple task. Now let me talk about a lottery event which would start today itself, wherein 2 lucky winners who have signed up to XT Exchange using my referral link as well as completed their KYC, deposit and performed trades as I have shown would be receiving $10 worth of KOL tokens totally for free, and the winners would be selected directly from the KOL team. So what are you waiting for? Register to XT Exchange today to make insane amount of profits from crypto. So guys, I hope that you have got a deep understanding about what XT Exchange is, its features as well as the way on how you can earn $40 totally for free. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.